Since Honda brought the Passport name back in 2019, it has operated as a two-row, mild-mannered SUV that sits in the middle between the three-row Pilot and the smaller CR-V. Many competitors in that market have increased their brawn factor, or at least the appearance of it, over that time. Pathfinder Rock Creek Edition and Santa Fe XRT are two examples. With a tough look and major hardware changes aimed at helping it regain some ground on the showroom floor and on the road, the updated 2026 Honda Passport isn't taking it lying down. The improvements, as we now know, include a stiffer chassis thanks to Honda's small light truck platform, a beefed-up suspension, new interior styling and technology, and an exterior that appears to be the result of a passionate affair between a Ford Bronco Sport and a Toyota 4Runner, and we mean that with a compliment. An enhanced all-wheel drive system receives output from a new 10-speed automatic gearbox, and the 3.5-liter V6 engine returns with more horsepower. Along with a shorter front overhang to improve the approach angle, the better to climb over obstacles on the trail, a longer wheelbase allows for greater space for the rear seat and cargo. The 3.5-liter V6 is back, and it gains 5 horsepower, for a total of 285 horsepower. Honda's i-VTM4 torque vectoring all-wheel drive system receives the output of the 10-speed automatic gearbox that replaces the previous 9-speed model. Larger brake calipers and rotors, up to 1.2 inches in diameter, improve stopping. The exterior has a bolder C-pillar, beefier roof rails, a new headlight design, fender flares, and a redesigned front fascia. The redesigned Pilot's wheelbase is 2.8 inches larger, its track is 1.4 inches wider, and its ground clearance has increased slightly to 8.3 inches. A bigger infotainment screen, power folding mirrors, heated windscreen and standard heated seats are among the interior upgrades. We are pleased to announce the return of the optional picnic table. The 2026 Honda Passport is expected to range between $45,000 and $51,000, depending on the model and additional features. The torque vectoring system boasts a stronger rear drive unit with 40% more torque capability than the outgoing Passport, and it is said to respond 30% faster than the previous configuration. According to Honda, the chassis is much more solid than the previous model because it is built on the Honda light truck platform, also known as the Ridgeline pickup truck. This also implies that the suspension components are stronger. The Trail Sport versions have a special suspension tune and multiple skid plates to protect the vitals. Standard on the Trail Sport models are all-terrain 275 and 60R, 18 general grabber tires, and the powertrain can be adjusted to the terrain with 7 drive modes, including the new Sport, Trail, and Tow modes. The 2026 Honda Passport is able to tow up to 5,000 pounds. That is still in line with the Chevy Blazer's 4,500 pound limits, which is superior to the Hyundai Santa Fe's 3,500 pound limit. As standard equipment, Trail Sport models come with a trailer hitch with a 7-pin connector. Honda has completely redesigned the Pilot's interior, emphasizing a straightforward design and better material quality, along with standard power-adjustable and heated front seats. While the Trail Sport has a standard panoramic sunroof and easy-to-clean synthetic leather upholstery, the base RTL has leather-trimmed upholstery and a motorized tailgate. All-season floor mats are also included. Perforated leather upholstery, ventilated front seats, a heated steering wheel, rear temperature controls, rear door shades, and more ambient lighting are all features that the Trail Sport Elite takes the high road. The Trail Sport Elite also includes a 12-speaker Bose premium music system with a subwoofer as standard equipment. The extended wheelbase of the new Passport allows for more baggage space and an extra 1.3 inches of rear seat legroom over the previous generation. The tech and infotainment system begins with a standard 12.3-inch touchscreen that runs Honda's most recent software and a standard 10.2-inch instrument panel. For those who are keeping score, that is 54% bigger than the infotainment screen on the outgoing model. Along with 5G, LTE Wi-Fi hotspot functionality and a wireless smartphone charger, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. Google Assistant, Maps, and other Google Play services are available with a free 3-year unlimited data subscription. 2 USB-C ports are located on the front and back of the center console, while 110-volt power outlets are added to the center console and cargo area of Trail Sport versions. All Passport models come with Honda Sensing, a full package of driver assistance systems. Automatic high-beam headlights, adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, blind spot detection, and more are all included in the package.